Vitamin D is a hormone our bodies make and a nutrient we can eat. Do you know what the benefits of vitamin D are? The human body needs vitamin D to grow and be healthy. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps the body absorb and retain calcium. Vitamin D helps maintain healthy bones by taking in calcium from our foods and increasing calcium absorption. Together, calcium and vitamin D build bones and keep them strong. Vitamin D also ensures overall health by strengthening your immune system. Your immune system is like a shield that protects you from getting ill and helps you recover from diseases and helps you get healthy again. You can get vitamin D in 2 ways. Be exposed to the sun regularly. However, you should be careful and avoid too much sun exposure. Or eat foods fortified with vitamin D or take vitamin D supplements. Fortifying means adding vitamins to food. Search for the label "Fortified with Vitamin D" on your favorite breakfast cereals, plant milk, yogurts, and plant-based burgers. Did you know that vitamin D is made in the skin when exposed to the sun? Therefore, it's sometimes hard to get enough vitamin D from the sun if you spend lots of time indoors. If you think you cannot get enough vitamin D, you should ask your doctor if you need a vitamin D supplement.